It's day 18 of the Telangana strike. Hyderabad Bandh has been called today. While shops and offices remain shut, KCR takes the Telangana fight to Delhi and is to meet the President, Pratibha Patil. For more, let's go across to Ram, who's joining us from there and bringing us this report.
On the 18th day of the General People's Strike here in Telangana, it is a Hyderabad Bandh which is being called for. The roads have comparatively very few vehicles today, this morning, and also we are seeing that most of the shops behind me, as you can see, are shut. Around this time, many of these shops during a normal day here in Hyderabad are open, but they are shut at this point in time. Also, if my cameraman can show, many such petrol bunks in the city are shut today. So the response to the Bandh so far has been something which what the Telangana supporters would call a positive response, because many people are thinking twice about coming out of the streets today, especially with such a Bandh which has gone on for about 18 days now. The protests which have gone on for 18 days now. Also, amidst these developments, we are also hearing from the Telangana camp that senior leaders like KCR could actually take the battle themselves up to Delhi. They could actually meet the President and the Prime Minister, seek their an appointment and actually present the case of their demands to Delhi. So we have to wait and watch as to what the response is going to be from the centre before things here get out of hand. Today is the 18th day of the protest here in the Telangana region. I am in Hyderabad right now, and where there is a Hyderabad Bandh today. And on the day of the Hyderabad Bandh, senior Telangana leaders have decided to take the battle to Delhi and meet the important leaders there to present the demands. Joining me is senior leader KTR, son of KCR, the chief of TRS, also who's going to be going to Delhi this evening, sir. So what is your main purpose of the visit? Who are the people whom do you want to meet?
Well, the main purpose of the visit is to meet the important people in the government, to explain to them the gravity of the situation here, to ensure that the general strike that's going on is getting adequate attention there, and we are wanting an immediate decision from Delhi. We believe that a decision is imminent because the central government has given a word and they cannot go back. Because
specifically, who are the people who are going to meet?
Well, we are looking to meet the President of India, the Prime Minister of India, and if possible, some of the cabinet colleagues of the Prime Minister as well, because they are the ones who will take a vital, they're the ones who will play a vital role in taking a decision anyway. So we'll meet all the important people, all the people who matter, and we'll certainly try to get our message across that this is an important occasion where the central government cannot afford to ignore any further.
Okay, do you expect Ghulam Nabi Azad to submit the report which he's promised to submit today?
Well, as I said, each one of us is doing his or her own bit. And therefore, we expect Mr. Azad to deliver on his promise, and we also hope the union government will deliver on its promise. So therefore, each of us is playing our own role, and hopefully this issue will come to some sort of a closure very, very soon.
Okay, now ahead of this visit and the fact that Azad could be submitting that report today, do you see a breakthrough? And if there is one, how do you see it happening?
Well, we're certainly hopeful of a breakthrough. I mean, we are certainly hopeful that the union government will not go back on the promise it made, because it's a matter of international prestige for the union government as well. They've made a promise on the floor of the House. Therefore, to go back on that would be a shame. So therefore, we're certainly hopeful they will come forward and make a decision and stand by it this time around. Whether it's a quick breakthrough or whether it's a time delaying thing, we don't know really, but for sure we are hopeful of a solution.
Okay, just one last question. If the centre tells you that yes, they are ready to set a timeline and a deadline rather, would you be happy, at least for the moment?
Oh, we'll be excited, thrilled, happy, everything combined. For sure, Telangana people have been waiting for a day where the union government will take a stand and actually adhere to it. So therefore, we'll certainly be happy, and we'll certainly call off the strike as well if the union government announces Telangana.
All right, so there you go. A very fair demand coming there from senior leaders, saying at least if there is a timeline set by the government as of now, they will definitely be happy. In Hyderabad, Ramanathan for Times Now.